The rain is crazy, guys. Look at the rain, guys. Oh my god. Let me show you guys this crazy rain. Look at it. Dang it, my phone. Makes it look like, always making it look like nothing is there. Look at, there's a bag in the air. Look at the rain all over me. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I better film this. Look at my DirecTV pool. Oh my god. Look how dark it is. Oh my god. I don't know why my phone rarely even shows anything. You guys hear that wind? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this wind, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. And look at the sun's already out. And look at, you guys probably can't see it, but it's really pouring hard. Yep, we are in a pretty bad thunderstorm. Look at all that rain. It's still raining. Really hope you guys can see the awesome lightning. Oh my god, I'm sad you guys can't see the awesome rain. Look at it, guys. I'm not even kidding about this. Oh my god. Look at the pitch black clouds over there, but over here the sun is popping out even. See, you guys just see rain coming down. Look at that. sun's coming out now. The sun's definitely out now, but it's still raining like crazy. Uh-oh. Yeah, we got a pretty good rainstorm. I didn't hear much thunder though, but pretty cool rainstorm. I see it weakening, so you know what? I'll see you guys later. Bye.